Do you have enough protein in your diet? It's always a question I'm asking myself, and you might be asking yourself too. We're chatting about the power of protein from a registered dietitian, Nicole Osinga. First time on the show.
That's right. Thanks for having me.
Welcome to the canteen and to Morning Live. Always interested to talk about meal planning and different types of meals and protein and how we can like sneak it in there every now and again, because we can never get enough, right?
It's so true, and it's so important for those long January days and our busy schedules. You know, I find oftentimes we have big gaps between our meals, so choosing a protein-rich snack is super important to keep us fueled and energized throughout the day. So my current top pick is the Premier Protein High Protein Shakes, and exciting news, Tim, they're expanding their flavor options in Canada with the new cookies and cream flavor.
Can I try this?
Absolutely.
Do we always we give it a shake first?
That's important, yes. That's available at Walmart and Costco right now. It's basically the next best thing to ice cream.
And this is what we're doing. We're just drinking like this.
Yeah, just drink it. Yeah, they're super portable and convenient for on the go. So I love bringing those with me. Yeah. So they're awesome.
Tasty.
And yeah, you can also mix them into recipes like this high protein overnight oat recipe. So that's on premierprotein.ca. So go ahead and check that out. So it's just basically, so oats and Premier Protein, that's it. I topped it with some banana and granola, and that's about it. So and even nutritionally, they're certainly dietitian approved. So there's 160 calories, 30 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, and 23 vitamins and minerals for one of these shakes. So pretty cool.
So we just need, like this is when you're leaving the house, or just when you're busy in the morning after a workout, something like that.
Totally.
You could do it in the afternoon too if you don't sneak it in there.
Anytime, right? And there's 8 different flavors available as well.
Awesome.
So,
what do we got in the middle?
Yeah, so another tip I have for folks is to swap out your favorite cocktail and try a mocktail instead. Yeah, so you'll have some short-term and long-term benefits. So short-term, we should feel more energized and maybe get some better sleep, better focus. Long-term too, we get benefit from the cancer prevention sort of effects from having less alcohol. So finding a virgin mojito, bringing that to our favorite
is that a sugar rim around it? What is that?
It's actually a salt rim. Yes, it looks pretty though.
It does.
And a blood orange mocktail is another delicious flavor option as well for your mocktails.
Fascinated what you have in these jars.
Yeah, totally. So my next tip is cooking more at home. So cooking 50% more meals at home, because food is so convenient. We can grab food anywhere, but I'm a huge fan of meal planning and meal prepping. So I have a few examples of what I did this week. So
you want to start with the breakfast ones down here?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. So these are also great for folks on the go. So I have some protein muffins that you can make in a batch ahead of time, put them in little kind of grab and go options. So bring that to work, even eat it in the car if you need to.
You can even put some of that Premier Protein in there.
That's a good idea. I'm going to try that next time.
So this is just regular, just protein powder in these.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, definitely try them out. I hope you're not disappointed. No. And then another option I have here too, a chickpea pasta casserole. So we got some more protein in that. So you'll have to tell me what the verdict of that, what that is. So that's a really great option.
This is plant-based though?
That is plant-based. Yeah, it's amazing what you can do with plants nowadays.
So how long have you been plant-based for?
Yeah, about 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
And your husband's here, and you've converted him as well.
I know, lucky boy, right? Exactly.
He's giving us the thumbs up, and it took a little bit of time for him, but then he comes around. And
exactly. Yeah. And if you're not plant-based, you can totally throw some meat in there too. It's no problem.
What are these?
Yeah, so they're like sort of like an instant noodle jar. So these are super cool. So I have some tofu in there, and again, you could do chicken, some veggies, some ramen noodles. So all you have to do, Tim, is put in some boiling water into the jar, leave it for about 5 minutes, and then you have this amazing, delicious instant noodle option. They're so easy to prep and so much healthier than the packaged instant noodles.
You're taking this to work, and then you're just adding the hot water to this, and then you can eat that however you want.
That's exactly right.
Is this available to eat? I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna grab a fork here.
Amazing. I love how you're trying out all my cooking and hiding your reaction in case you don't love it.
I'm always interested. What are the noodles?
So they're a brown rice ramen noodles. So kind of fun.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Some really great ideas. Okay, so where can we find more, Nicole?
Yeah, so check out premierprotein.ca to look at their new offerings and some great recipes as well.
Yeah, great to have you. Great first appearance.
Thank you.
Hope you like the show today. We got another one tomorrow. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.